Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove an existing virtual machine to and from an existing virtual machine scale set with flexible orchestration mode. This is a cool feature that lets you scale your VMs dynamically and efficiently. I'll explain how it works and then we'll see it in action. Let's get started. Okay, so if you take a step back, flexible orchestration enables you to attach and detach any type of VM. It doesn't have to be the same VM as the VM already running in the scale set. For instance, you can mix and match Windows and Linux, even more different type of VM SKUs. So it's really cool, great feature, comes with flexible orchestration mode. Today there are two ways to attach VMs to a scale set. Method number one, basically you attach the VM while you're creating it, but if you wanted to attach an existing VM, then it's not possible. I mean, it can be done, but it's not straightforward as method number two. We will see in a minute. Method number two is the new feature was announced at Microsoft Ignite 2023. Allows you to attach and detach an existing VM to the scale set with zero downtime. This is really cool because now you don't have to take a snapshot, delete and recreate the VM to take advantage from a scale set. Before going to the demo, let me quickly show you how it works in the first method. As discussed, you select the scale set that you wish to attach from availability options drop down menu while you create in the VM, as long the VM and the scale set on the same resource group. This is very important, otherwise it won't work. Now let's dive into some limitation and prereqs for attaching a VM. So these are the prereqs and the limitations we have. I'm not going to read out, but you can either pause the video or check in the documentation. I will put link into the description, but I would like to highlight one thing, the one in red, which the VM and the target scale must be zonal, or they must be both regional. You can attach zone VM to a regional scale set. Okay, let's pause for a second. Let me show you what that means. Alright, we have three scenarios here. Starting from the top, we have a zonal VM to a regional scale set. That doesn't work because you have a zonal VM and you try to attach to a regional scale set, right? But the second scenario, we have a regional VM and you have regional scale set. That's okay. And third scenario, we have a zonal VM to a zonal scale set. That's okay as well, right? Hope that makes sense. Now, bear in mind, this is still in public preview at the time of the recording, so make sure you register for this feature, otherwise you may receive an error message very similar to this one while you're adding a VM to the scale set. You can also use Azure CLI or Portal. I already done, so I don't need to do that again. Okay, let's get started with the demo. This is my zonal virtual machine scale set. It's in UK South, has zone 1 and 3 on flexible orchestration mode. It has 1 fault domain count. Let's take a look on the instances. These instances were created during creation time of the scale set. I got 3 there. Now this is my standalone VM which I'm going to attach to the scale set, also on the same resource group and UK South and zone 1. Just to confirm, this VM is not part of any scale set at the moment. Okay, to attach, simply go to availability and scaling tab, click on get started. Once the sidebar pop up, select the scale that you wish to scale set that you wish to attach, and then click on attach. As discussed, there's no downtime. You can perform attach operation while the VM is running. It's only changing metadata of the VM. Give it a couple of seconds. Okay, now it's done. So now let's go to the VM and check if the VM is now part of the scale set. Yes, it is. And now let's go to scale set and check from the instance level and see if we can see the new VM instance now there. Yes, it's there. So that's it. We now added VM to the scale set. Okay, let's see how we can detach a VM from scale set. There's some limitation or requirement. So the scale set must be in flexible, must use flexible orchestration mode. Yep. And must have platform for domain count 1. Yep. If the VM was created during scale set, like when you create the scale set, you can specify how many instances you want to create. If it's the case, then the VM must be stopped. This is not the case for in our scenario. We added an existing virtual machine, so it doesn't need to be stopped. So again, this is there's no disruption for the VM. We can do straight away. To do that, simply go to Attach and Scaling tab and click on Detach. Give it a couple seconds, and then it's done. And let's confirm at the scale set level. As you can see, it's no longer available. Also, let's check from the scale set instance level. Here we go. Alright guys, everything we discussed is nicely documented at microsoftlearn.com. I'll put link into description. We will see anything from attaching, detaching, and some troubleshooting tips for VMs and scale set. Okay, so there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and was useful. I'm planning to bring more Azure related content in regular basis, so please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon.